Oh, hi, didn't see you there. Today, we're going to be discussing two-way tables. And now, I'm going to show you how to complete the counts on a two-way table. Now, to my right, you can see a two-way table with the counts not filled in. I'll break down how to fill in these numbers. The walk-off is intentional.
What?
Cut it. No, you only see my hand. This is a shout out to Mrs. Graham Math. Okay, so we have Māori, French, English as the languages Year 13 students study, and we have female and male, obviously. So, to get the total for Māori students, we need to add together the 13 and 15, which will give us a total of... Now, we do the same for French and English students, so it will be 18 minus 21, 171 minus 91, and for the total it will be 222 minus 111. Once you fill in all those counts, make sure they all add up to 220 and then 21. Make sure the totals all add up, make sense, please. Yeah, you can move on to the more challenging questions. Now, time to start the first question. One of these students is picked at random. What is the probability that the student studies Māori? To figure that out, we have to get the total for Māori, which is, as we know, 18, divided by the total of all the students, which is 220, which will give us the answer of... On to the second question. One of the students is picked at random. What is the probability the student is a female? So, we get the total of females divided by the total of males. Simple. Wrong. I was wrong. I said that wrong. So we're going to go to female and use the total, which is 111, over, or divided by, the total which is of students, which is 220. Now, on to question 3. What is the probability that the student is male and studies French? So, we got to go to male and studies French. The total will be on the screen, so I don't actually know what it is. But that will be this total divided by this total, giving you the answer of... Now, gentlemen, I am in the middle of teaching you illiterate. On to this one now, yeah? No, this one.
Yeah.
Okay, so now on to the fourth question. What is the probability that the student studies French or English? That's simple. We just add up these two totals. The second to last question. What is the probability that the student is male and studies Māori or French? So, we look at male and Māori or French, and we simply add them together. Now, for the last question. What is the probability that the student is not female and does not study Māori or English? So, it's not female, so we completely get rid of these people. And does not study Māori or English. So, it would be French, so it will be whatever that is, which you can see on screen, over 222. Thank you all for watching this instructional video on two-way tables. Please pass your exam.